Open the laser case and remove the components inside. In the top compartment, you'll find the 1.5 mm hex drivers with the laser cable strain relief clamp and the number 00 screwdriver to adjust the red eye. Be careful not to lose these items as they are very small. Before you begin, find the best location of installing the laser. Use shims as necessary. Please note that adding shims to ensure the DTS cable is inward-facing will create a non-parfocal condition with the other objectives on the microscope. Locate the objective body screw nearest the red eye adjustment screws. Do not remove the wrong screw as this could damage the laser's internal components. Remove the screw using the number 00 screwdriver. Set the screw aside in a safe location. Install the laser cable and add the laser cable strain relief clamp. Ensure the cable is secure, but enough slack is left for the cable to be disconnected after use. Install the clamp to the laser objective with the M1.6 by 3 mm screw. Note the clamp orientation should have the cable on top. The cable should not cover access holes for adjusting the red eye. Install the adhesive-ready cable holder to the center of the turret and to the left side of the microscope to hold the laser cable in place. Install the laser into the microscope turret and use shims as needed. Neighboring objectives may need to be temporarily removed. Plug in the laser cable and route the cable through the cable mounts. For more information, please contact Hamilton Thorne.